Have you ever want to build your own robot? Let's do it together. I will show you how you can make this SCARA robot. First, we will start with this tiny SCARA robot. We will shift to the larger scale of this model. And at the end, we will design this high-speed and accurate model. No experience needed. The main question is, what is a SCARA robot? A SCARA robot in meanings means Selective Compliance Assembly Robotic arm. It has two main arms for move in a flat plane and also have a movement in up and down for picking something from here and placing here. And it's important to know SCARA robots are very fast and accurate. Factories use this robot for picking and placing, for moving something, for assembling, and also for packaging. It's a very important task. The second main question is, how does it move? SCARA robots have a two joint like human shoulder and elbow. It's very similar. These joints help the SCARA robot to move in X and Y, left and right. And we have access to move up and down, X and Y and Z. Very good. Now you know basic of the SCARA robot, so you are ready to design it. See you in next video.